Oh my, how to avoid the four-headed monster of estate planning. Oh, hey, folks, elder law care attorney Patrick Kelleher coming from elderlawcare.com. Folks, I got a great question from a subscriber today. Hey, Patrick, what are the detriments and the risk of do-it-yourself estate plans? Oh my, I refer to this in my second book as rolling the dice, right? Maybe swiping your credit card and receiving an estate plan from a vending machine, an electronic vending machine. And I reviewed enough do-it-yourself estate plans in my life, and oftentimes the language in there is incorrect, it's improper. The novice or do-it-yourselfer creating the plan clicked on the wrong options, which have detrimental and devastating consequences for the surviving spouse and the beneficiary someday, because assets will leak off the probate court. And if there's tax planning or an attempt to create tax planning, it's not done properly. So, folks, think about this one, right? Ask yourself this question. Have you worked hard for what you have? Do you feel like you worked hard for what you have? And when I ask folks that question, invariably everybody's hand goes up. And do you want to leave it to the people you love the most without getting bit by what I call the metaphorical four-headed monster, which is probate court, the tax man, financial creditors and predators, right? Which could be in-laws turning into outlaws in a divorce situation. And do you want to protect it from that $20,000 per month nursing home while also protecting it from the tax man? Well, if you want to do all of that, it can be attainable. But from my experience, to do that, you need to work with an experienced, qualified estate elder law attorney who has the skill set and the expertise and the experience and the drafting experience and the trust funding team to get all your treasures into your treasure chest. Otherwise, folks, from my experience, you are really rolling the dice, because the plan that you create and you think you're saving money, yes, you may so initially, the upfront cost, but if the plan is not done properly, who's going to pay in the back end? Yes, maybe your spouse, maybe your children, maybe your grandchildren, whoever your loved ones are. It could be catastrophic from my experience. So just be very careful and cautious with that, okay? From my experience, you're not just paying for the documents, folks. We say to our clients, yes, the documents are important, but what you're truly paying for, you're paying for the experience and the expertise and the knowledge of your skilled estate planning elder law attorney, okay? If you want to think of an analogy, maybe if you had a medical issue, right? Could you go to a novice who had all the same tools or similar tools to the best surgeon in the country, but they don't have the knowledge of how to use the tools, right? Same thing with do-it-yourself estate plans, right? You want to work with an experienced estate plan attorney that has all the tools to do the job. They have the power tools to help you slay the four-headed beast, but even more importantly than the documents themselves, they have the experience to give you the results that you need to slay that four-headed beast. So that's my opinion, folks, on do-it-yourself estate plans. Proceed with caution, all right? Proceed with caution. Folks, thanks for joining us here today at elderlawcare.com. Click the subscribe button, click the notification button, because we'll continue to keep you updated on other important subject matter. Also, pick up a copy of my book on Amazon, How to Avoid the Four-Headed Monster of Estate Planning and Elder Law. Thanks for joining us here today, folks. Have a great day.